Hello and welcome to Dynamic Industrial Facility first tutorial. This tutorial will cover constructors and custom parts. Despite the word dynamic in this asset's name, main working horses here are constructors. Let's examine them using pipes constructor as the example. Constructors consist of nodes and beams. Nodes spawn beams when you click on blue gizmo. Click it again to despawn beam if you want. Now I will spawn the beam and select it. By dragging white handle, you stretch the beam. You can also set its exact length by entering number here. By pressing red gizmos, you create the node with the same directions as selected gizmos. For example, after I press forward and leftward, T-cross is created with directions forward and leftward. If more than one node can be spawned with these directions, you can choose desired node here. The ending node can be created by either selecting it from inspector or by pressing any gizmo twice. After creating the node, you can still edit the beam. Node will move with it. If you want to move node, you need to remove flag from isFinish. For free rotation, you need to put corresponding flag here. All constructors work with the same principle. Channels, railings, holders for gears, paint, and so on. All work the same, but some constructors have certain particularities. For I-beams, first, it has two different orientations of vertical beams. Let me show it. This is I-beam going like this. Let me copy paste it so it stays. And here I will make node with same directions but with different vertical orientation. And its I-beam is turned by 90 degrees comparing to the first one. Second particularity is that you can enter custom parts mode and make diagonal I-beams, like this. Particularities of pipes constructors consist in basically additional constructor inside. Let's select the pipe and create a clamp. Note, it is important to create clamp for horizontal if the pipe is placed horizontally. Then I select the clamp, choose one of two locators and create a clip there. In clip I can create a lug or a clamp. Let's create a lug and spawn the pull in it. Pull is a beam that can create a sailing connection and stretch till that sailing connection reaches the platform. For pipe that has vertical orientation, you should spawn clamp for vertical and do the same. Another thing to know about pipe constructor is changing tube diameter. It is made via reduction or extension. And there you have to use custom parts to spawn pipe of new diameter. Particularity about Railing's constructor is that it uses a repeatable supports component, where you set the amount of supports or distance between them. In Channel's constructor, you can additionally choose the type of support by entering here 0, 1, 2, 3 and changing the amount of supports. Also, you will usually want to have boundary supports, and also you can create gratings or plates. Last thing related to constructors is stairs. In stairs you define its height, step height, and railing delta to fit the floor. You can also select this railing and continue the railing as usual constructor. Few things remained for this tutorial. Custom surface is a surface that is customized by moving these handles. Flip to switch between top and bottom handles, and unflag keep rectangular if you don't need it. Welding is implemented as custom surface as well. An window plane is a surface with windows. Set their amount, press rebuild and choose UV orientation. Now you can drag these handles and also can unflag keep rectangular. You can also flip normals if you need. Often you need same and window planes, and not to create hundreds of meshes, they all refer to same mesh. Changing one of these planes changes all others. Click on Link button to create new mesh. The last thing is frames. This is quite obvious prefab that allows you customizing it with a handle or by entering numbers here. That's it for the first tutorial. Thank you for watching and let us know if you have any questions left.